Hi, hello. Welcome to Geometry classes. Today we are solving one more problem. On which topic we are going to solve? What and all we have completed? First, let us check it out. First, we completed fundamentals of partnership. In that, profit and loss appropriation account we have completed. Isn't it? How to calculate interest on drawings we have completed. And after that, guarantee of profit also we have completed. Right? Today, excuse me. Today we are going to solve problem on admission of a partner. Admission of a partner. That means already two people are working together. In that they have admitted one more person as a partner. Already two people are working together. In that they have taken one more person as a partner. That is called admission of a partner. Okay, will he come alone? No, he will be bringing some capital, something assets, anything they can bring. So when they brought, we have to make the payments to him also. Like if you are sharing equally, then some of the profit we should share to the new partner also, whomever we are allowing to do the business along with us, right? So it depends on the terms and conditions decided by three of them or four of them or five of them, how many of them are there. Okay, so now here what we are learning in this video, what we are learning, okay, that is the terms, conditions, how they have to do that and all done. Now here in this video what you are going to learn, we are learning about ratio. We are learning about ratios. What type of ratios we have? Okay, what are the new ratios we are gonna get? We have two partners, Munna and Munni, as usual. Munna and Munni. These two are the partners. Now, they were sharing 3:2 ratio. Munna is taking 3 and Munni is taking 2. 3:2 ratio, they were sharing the profits and losses. Now they have introduced Kanna. Munna and Munni were sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Now they have admitted Kanna as a new partner. They are giving him 1/6 share. Okay, so this is how question will be. Now you should find out what is the new profit sharing ratio. Now finally these three, how much they are getting. Okay, that is called new profit sharing ratio, NPSR. New profit sharing ratio. Sometimes what happens, they will be giving from their share some of the amount, correct? So now 3:2. Now 3:2 is not there. This is not the total number of 5. It's become 6. 1/6 we are giving to Kanna, right? That means Munna also giving something from his ratio, from his share. Munni also sharing something from her share. Isn't it? Munna also sharing some amount, Munni also sharing some amount. So now you should know what is the sacrifice, how much they have sacrificed these two people, that you have to find out. That is one more method. Okay, like the different methods are there. First let's find out what is new profit sharing ratio, then later we will see what is sacrifice ratio. Okay, now first let's write down one question and then we will be solving what is the new profit sharing ratio. This is so easy only, but you will be having surely questions on that. So everything I am doing in a single video. Okay. So now first I will take two partners, Chinmay and Siddharth. There are two partners called Chinmay and Siddharth. Now what happened? They both were sharing in the ratio of 2:1. They were sharing in the ratio of 2:1 their profits. Okay. Now they called one more person, Anirudh. They have admitted one more partner called Anirudh. How much they are paying him? 1/4. 1/4 will take a no. I will take some different amount. 1/5 I will take. Okay. They have planned to give him 1/5 share of the profits or whatever. Everything they are giving him 1/5. Now I would like to know what is new profit sharing ratio. Okay, Chinmay and Siddharth, their old ratio was 2:1. Now they have admitted Anirudh, 1/5 they have promised. Right, now you should find out what is the new profit sharing ratio. How do you find out that one? What is the old ratio? Now Chinmay and Siddharth, what is the old ratio? It will be 2/3 and 1/3. Right? So now to find out new profit sharing ratio, I call it NPSR. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio into balance share. Old ratio into balance share. Now let us see how do we will get. What is the old ratio of Chinmay? His old ratio was 2/3. Correct? His share is 2/3. Now what is the balance share? Out of 1, we are giving 1/5 to Anirudh. So the balance share will be 1 minus 1/5. Okay, how to find out the balance? Take the LCM. 5 is the LCM. 1 into 5. 5 minus 1 divided by 4/5. Now the balance share is 4/5. So now here you substitute 4 divided by 5. Now how much you will get? 8 divided by 15. Right? This is 8 divided by 15. Now let us see what is Siddharth's share. Siddharth's share is 1/3. Right? 1/3 into, again balance share will be same. Again from this you are not gonna reduce anything. Okay, balance share will be same. Now what is the balance share? 4 divided by 5. Then you will get 4 into 1, 4. 3 into 5, 15. Okay, now what is the new profit sharing ratio? Is it 8:4:1? No. When you can make it a ratio, the denominators must be equal. If it is not equal, make it equal. Okay, so how to make it equal? Now what is his name? Anirudh. Anirudh's share is 1/5. Right? How the denominator can become 15? I think I have to multiply even numerator and denominator with 3. Then I will get 3 divided by 15. Right? Now what is the new profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio of Chinmay, Siddharth and Anirudh. What is that? 8:4:3. Okay? 8:4:3. This is how you will calculate the new profit sharing ratio. If they mention in the question only what is the share we are giving to the new partner. Okay? So what is the formula? New profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio into balance share. Okay, how to find out the balance share? When you take the total business as 1, in that we are giving 1/5 to someone, so the balance will be 1 minus 1/5. Then you got 4/5. Now you have to substitute in the formula old ratio into balance ratio. What is the old ratio? 2/3 into balance we got 4/5. Then when you multiply you got 8/15 and 4/15. Okay, this is only for the old partners. New partner, this is only 1/5. When you can make it equal ratio, how to make it is all the denominators must be equal. Okay, here it is equal. Already 15 is there. So easy to make it 15. So I multiplied even numerator and denominator with 3. Then I got 3/15. Now the new profit sharing ratio is 8:4:3. Understood? So first copy this one, then we will go for the sacrifice ratio, how to calculate sacrifice ratio. Okay, copy it. Yeah. Now let's solve a problem on sacrifice ratio. Okay, all of you copied the old one, right? Now let's solve the problem. I'm taking 2 partners. I need 2 people, Vishal and Venu. Vishal and Venu sharing their profits in the ratio of 5:3. In the ratio of 5:3. Now they admitted new partner Murli. Now they have admitted new partner Murli. Now they got the new profit sharing ratio. The new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Okay. Now you should find out how much Vishal sacrificed and how much Venu sacrificed. Okay. So let us see. Now what is the Vishal's old ratio? 5/8. Venu's old ratio 3/8. Is it? Now you should find out what is the sacrifice ratio. How to find out sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. Now let me see what is Vishal's sacrifice ratio. 5/8 is his old ratio minus what is the new ratio? He is in the starting rate. Vishal, Venu and Murli will be the new partners. Okay. So now what is the share of Vishal's? 3/6. 3/6. Okay. If there is no common divisible, then you can multiply both of them and you can take. If there is a common divisible, then go for the LCM. Okay. So what is the LCM? 3 and 4. Now multiply 3. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 is the LCM. Okay, got it? How to do? First, check it out. Is there any common divisible between them? If there is a common divisible, just multiply both of them. If there is no common divisible, then you should find out the LCM. Then take the common divisible. How much up to there is no common divisible, you have to find out the divisibles. So where once you find out these are the balances you got, 2 into 3 into 4, then you got 24. Okay. So now 24. Okay. 8. How many times? It is 8 into 3. So here 3 into 5, 15. Got it? 8 into 3. Then you got 24. So now with the 3 you have to multiply. Okay. Or else you want to get 24, right? How do you get 24? Into 3. Here also into 3. This will be easy for you. Okay. And here this is 6. How this 6 can become 24? Into 4. So with the same number you have to multiply. Follow this one. This will be easy for you. Okay. Here denominator you got 24. So here also you wanted 24. How it can become 24? When you multiply with 3. So multiply both of them with 3. Here also you need 24. How can you make it 24? Multiply both of them with 4. Okay. Now what is the answer? 15 minus 12. Right? Now the final answer 3 divided by 24. Okay. Got it? 15 minus 12, 3. Now Venu's sacrifice ratio. What is Venu's share? It is 3/8. 3/8 minus what is the new share? 2. Correct? 2 divided by 6. 2 divided by 6. Now what is the LCM? Here also same thing you got 24. Here with 3 into 3. Here 6 no into 4 into 4. Now how much you will get? 9 minus 8. Then it is 1 divided by 24. Now what is the sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio is equal to 3:1. They have sacrificed 3:1 ratio. Okay, first check it out how to calculate the LCM and then how to do this one. I have seen many students, they were committing mistake with these things. Okay, these you would have studied in the 6th, 4th, 7th in that time. That is the reason maybe your teachers wouldn't give so much importance on that. But later I have realized, no, you forgot everything. Okay, please recollect what you have studied and then you start doing these things. Okay, please copy this one, then we will move on to the next method. Okay, copy it. Yes, now we will check one more method in the ratios itself. Okay, what is that method? Let me show you first. Okay, first let me give you the question, then you will know what is the difference between old methods and new methods. Okay, there are two partners again. I am taking Pradeep and Sudeep. Okay? Pradeep and Sudeep. Okay? They are sharing their ratios in the ratio of 5:3. Their ratios were 5:3. Okay. Now they have given or they have introduced one more person or they have admitted one more person. His name is Sandeep. He is Sandeep. Okay. How much we are giving him? 1/6 share. 1/6 share we are giving. So this 1/6 share he is taking from Pradeep and Sudeep. Till now we didn't mention how much he has taken from Pradeep and how much he has taken from Sudeep. Right? So in this question we are giving their sacrifice ratio is 3:1. They sacrificed in the ratio of 3:1. How much they have sacrificed? Total 1/6 of total share. That also they have given in the ratio of 3:1. Now you should find out what is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, how to find out? First, let's calculate what is sacrifice share. Okay, to calculate sacrifice share, what I am taking? What is the sacrifice ratio into how much they are giving to Sandeep? Okay, so what is Pradeep's sacrifice share? How much is the share? 3/4 into how much he is giving? 1/6. Then you got 3 divided by 24. Okay, got it? Next, for Sudeep, what is his sacrifice share? 1/4. How much we are giving? 1/6. Then he got 1/24. Now you got what is the sacrifice share. Now you should find out new profit sharing ratio. How to find out new profit sharing ratio? First copy this one. How to find out new profit sharing ratio? New profit sharing ratio is old ratio minus sacrifice share. Okay. So now first we are finding for Pradeep. What is Pradeep's old ratio? 5:3, right? Then he will be getting 5 divided by 8 minus what is his sacrifice share? That is 3/24. Here you have common divisible. 24 divided by 8. You can do it directly. Correct? So you can give the answer. If you can't give the answer, then you will be going for the LCM. Okay, so here you can give the answer. So the LCM will be 24. Okay, so now how it will become? 24 into 3 and into 3. So you got 15 minus 3 divided by 24. Then how much you will get? 12 divided by 24. Do we need to simplify that or not? Let us see. Next. Okay, next Pradeep after Sudeep. What is Sudeep's share? 3/8. Minus, here how much he has sacrificed? 1 divided by 24. Now how much you will get? Here also into 3, into 3. 9 minus 1 divided by 24, that is 8 divided by 24. Okay, next. Who is the next one? Sandeep. Sandeep got 1/6. I said then you can call it a ratio where all the denominators are equal. It is not equal, we should make it equal. Into 4, into 4. Then how much you got? 4 divided by 24. Okay. Now what is the new profit sharing ratio? NPSR is equal to 12:8:4. Okay. You can simplify more. 4 is divisible. So then it will become 3:2:1. This is the new profit sharing ratio. All of you understood? First you should find out what is the sacrifice share. We have calculated sacrifice share. Then calculation of new profit sharing ratio, old ratio minus sacrifice share. Then you got this answer. Okay, always keep in your mind denominators must be equal. If it is not equal, please make it equal. Then you can make the problem more and more easy. Okay, hope all of you understood, right? Just copy this one. We are having one more method that we will do immediately. First, take the screenshot or copy this one. Yes, this is the last method we are gonna do. Okay, for the admission of a partner, how to do calculate the ratios. Okay, so this is the last method. Already we have done total 3 methods, 3 different methods. How the questions will be asked, all the methods we have done. This is the last one. Let's finish it off very fast. Okay, so now we need a 2 partners, right? 2 partners whom I'll take Neeraja and Indu. These are 2 partners. Okay, their profits were in a ratio of 5:2. In the ratio of 5:2. Now they have admitted one more partner, Suma. Now they have admitted one more partner, Suma. Now how they are giving? Okay, here to Suma, Neeraja decided to give 1/4 of her share. Okay, so now how will I write? I write like this. To Suma they are giving, right? So Neeraja is giving 1/4 of her share. Okay, now here Indu is giving 1/3 of her share. Okay, so total shares of Neeraja and Indu were 5:2. In that, Suma they have admitted as a new partner. Neeraja is giving from her share 1/4 and Indu is giving from her share 1/3. Okay, now how to find out the new profit sharing ratio that you are gonna calculate. Okay, let's solve this question. Sacrifice share we have to find out. Sacrifice share is equal to old ratio into surrendered ratio. Okay, now let's find out for Neeraja. What is her old ratio? 5 divided by 7. How much she has surrendered? 1/4. Then how much you will get? 5 divided by 28. Now what is Indu's sacrifice share? 2 divided by 7 and into 1 divided by 3. How much you will get? 2 divided by 21. Okay, just multiply both of them, then you will get the sacrifice share. Okay, now what is the next step we are gonna do? Now let's find out new ratio. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice share. New ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice share. How much you will get? Neeraja's, what is the old share? 5 divided by 7 minus what is the sacrifice? 5 divided by 28. Then here it is equal, right? Already I have told you, easy to find out if it is a divisible. 28 divided by 7 you will get 4. So you can take that as LCM. Now here into 4 into 4. Then how much you will get? 20 minus 5. So 15 divided by 28. Okay. Now the next step. Indu's 2 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 21. Here also you have direct divisible 21. So this will be 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6 minus 2. Then you get 3 divided by 21. So both of them new share you got. Now how do you find out Suma's new share? Okay, how do you find out not new share? What is the share of Suma itself? We don't know yet, right? So now let's find out what is Suma's share. So Suma's share is equal to, how to find out Suma's share? Suma's share is equal to sacrifice share of, who are those? Neeraja plus Indu. How much you will get? What is sacrifice share of Neeraja? 5 by 28 plus 2 divided by 21. 5 by 28 plus 2 divided by 21. Now here you have to take the LCM. Let's take the LCM. 28 and 21. How much you will get? 7 I think. 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Now any more common divisibles are not there. Now find out 7 into 4 into 3. How much you will get? 7 into 4 into 3. It is 84. So write down 84. So how it's become 84? Into 3 into 3. And then here into 4 into 4. Okay. Now 3 5s are 15 minus 8. Then how much you will get? 7 divided by 84 is the share of Suma. Now what is the new profit sharing ratio of 3 of them? NPSR. It should be 15 by 28, 3 by 21, 7 by 84. Is it clear? No. As I said, all the denominators must be equal. So we will make it equal into 3 here, into 4 here. Then how much you will get? 45 divided by 84. 12 divided by 84. 7 divided by 84. Okay. Now the final ratio is 45 is to 12 is to 7. Okay. Might be the last one is a little bit confusing to you. As of now, you just copy that. I will make separate video only for this problem within 5 minutes or something. So then that time also you can cross check. If you are having doubts, please mention yes, you require the last one once again to explain. Yeah, we will do that one. Okay, please copy this one. So these are the different methods in admission of a partner. Okay, work out and solve more and more examples and more problems. Then it will be easy for you to complete. If you want, tell me. I'll make one video only to show the problems. So some of the example problems I will give you. You can sit and solve them. Okay, copy this one. Hope all of you understood this one, right? If you are having any doubts, mention in the comment section. Please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye-bye.